Feeling like your iPad Pro is missing something? We've got the cure. In this video, we're unveiling the top 10 iPad Pro accessories that'll make you say, wow, I didn't know I needed that. From keyboards that make typing a breeze to styluses that turn your iPad into a notepad, we've got everything you need to transform your iPad Pro into a game changer. So without further ado, let's unlock its potential together. Transform your iPad Pro into the ultimate digital sketchbook with the ESR Paper Feel Screen Protector. This innovative accessory replicates the tactile experience of drawing on paper, allowing your Apple Pencil to glide smoothly while providing just the right amount of friction for precise lines and realistic shading. The specially treated surface mimics the subtle texture of paper, giving you the control and resistance you crave without the mess of traditional art supplies. But this protector isn't just about recreating an authentic paper-like feel. It also keeps your display pristine with a matte finish that reduces distracting glare and unsightly fingerprint smudges. Ultra-thin yet incredibly durable, it adds superior scratch protection without compromising screen sensitivity. With this, you can elevate your creative workflow and take your digital artistry to new heights. Your iPad Pro deserves an equally versatile companion like the Logitech Slim Folio Pro keyboard case. This ultra-slim yet highly protective folio seamlessly adapts to your needs with 3 distinct use modes. Type with remarkable efficiency on the backlit keyboard, complete with a handy row of iPadOS shortcut keys for common actions like search, media controls, and display adjustments. When inspiration strikes, simply collapse into sketch mode to jot notes or illustrate directly on the screen using your Apple Pencil. Or fold the keyboard back for an immersive read mode perfect for devouring books and articles without distractions. Despite its svelte profile, this rugged case offers comprehensive front and back coverage while maintaining full access to ports, buttons, and that stellar iPad Pro camera. And with up to 3 months of battery life between charges, you can work or play unplugged all day. Gaming adventures await anywhere with the ultra-portable 8-bit Lite2 controller. Weighing just 82 grams, this pocket-sized gamepad easily slips into any bag, so you're always ready for epic gaming sessions while on the go. But don't let its compact size fool you. It packs all the ergonomics and controls of a full-size controller into a contoured design made for extended play sessions. From Nintendo Switch and Android devices to the latest iPads, Macs, and Apple TV, this versatile controller pairs seamlessly via Bluetooth or USB for universal compatibility across platforms. Customize your gameplay with turbo functionality, immersive vibration feedback, and even motion controls on supported devices. And with an impressive 18-hour battery life and rapid USB-C charging, you'll never miss a chance to game. Experience a transformative way to use your iPad with the Chargeend Pro stand. This ingenious accessory elevates your tablet to an optimal viewing angle, deterring neck strain and promoting a healthier upright posture. Crafted with meticulous attention to design and longevity, it seamlessly complements your iPad's sleek aesthetics. The solid aluminum construction, soft microfiber backing, and strong magnetic connection create a secure yet elegant docking solution. But the true brilliance lies in the multi-hinge slate, allowing you to effortlessly rotate your iPad 360-degree between landscape and portrait modes. Whether you're on a video call, recording content, or simply browsing, this stand adapts to your needs, enhancing productivity while relieving physical discomfort. Streamline your workspace and boost productivity with the Rolling Square Edge Pro Tablet Kit. The sleek Edge Pro Core serves as a stylish tablet and phone holder, keeping your devices at the perfect viewing angle. Its magnetic design effortlessly docks your iPad Pro, keeping it at the perfect angle for work or entertainment. But this kit is more than just a holder. It's a modular ecosystem tailored to your needs. Pair it with the fast wireless charger for cable-free power, or illuminate your setup with the adjustable Edge Pro Lite. With a solid aluminum body and durable construction, the Edge Pro Core forms the foundation for endless customization possibilities. Whether you're working remotely or enjoying leisure time, this versatile kit redefines mobile convenience. To elevate your iPad Pro experience, Here comes the Sateki M1 Bluetooth mouse. This ergonomic accessory combines modern aesthetics with precise performance, seamlessly connecting to your Mac or iPad Pro via Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless freedom up to 32 feet away. Glide through tasks with pinpoint accuracy, thanks to the optical sensor tracking and fast scrolling capabilities. The soft-touch navigation buttons and aluminum scroll wheel provide a natural, comfortable feel, while the rechargeable Type-C port eliminates the need for disposable batteries. But the M1 isn't just about function. Its curved, ambidextrous design and brushed aluminum finish complement your stylish workspace. You can upgrade your setup with this sleek, high-performance mouse that combines ergonomics and efficient wireless control. Up next, we have the Logitech Crayon Stylist to unlock the full creative potential of your iPad. This pixel-precise digital pencil feels as natural as a traditional writing instrument, offering unparalleled accuracy and control for a wide range of tasks. Effortlessly, take handwritten notes, mark up documents, or sketch diagrams with superior precision and zero lag. The Smart Tip dynamically adjusts line weight based on tilt angle, replicating the authentic pencil experience. And with palm rejection technology, you can comfortably rest your hand on the screen without accidental inputs. Designed for students and professionals alike, Crayon empowers you to write, draw, and learn in innovative ways using Apple Pencil-supported apps. With up to 7 hours of active use and an instantly responsive connection, this durable stylus keeps you productive all day. You juggle multiple devices daily: laptop, tablet, phone. Constantly swapping chargers wastes time and creates clutter. The UGGreen Nexe 65-watt USB-C GAN charger consolidates your power needs into one ultra-compact adapter. With a whopping 65-watt output, it revives your USB-C devices in a flash, from your iPad Pro to your MacBook Air M2. Its cutting-edge GAN technology enables a remarkably small size, making it ideal for travel. Charge your iPad Pro to 51% in just 30 minutes. Yet despite its power, intelligent safety features protect your gear from overcharging, overheating, and electrical faults. With broad device compatibility and a foldable plug for portability, this charger streamlines your daily charging routine. Simplify your life with one high-speed, go-anywhere solution. Experience sound in a whole new way with AirPods Pro 2, the perfect companion for your iPad Pro. These intelligent earbuds adapt the audio to your unique preferences and surroundings using advanced Apple technology. Powerful noise cancellation filters out twice as much ambient noise, while transparency mode enables you to hear the world around you when needed. Adaptive audio dynamically adjusts noise control based on your environment for optimal immersion. And conversation awareness enhances nearby voices while lowering media volume, so you can easily chat without removing the earbuds. With a customized fit, spatial audio with head tracking, and impressive battery life, AirPods Pro 2 delivers an unparalleled personalized listening experience tailored just for you. You've never seen a power bank like the Geekstorm 2 100-watt. This truly unique device is the world's first transparent portable charger, offering a visually stunning glimpse into its inner workings. With a massive 25,600 mAh capacity and blistering 100-watt charging speeds, it can rapidly refuel your devices from phones to laptops. The intelligent IPS display provides real-time charging data like output levels and voltage adjustments. You can even monitor the temperature and remaining battery. Engineered for universal compatibility with multiple outputs, this power bank rules them all. Compatible with a range of devices, it's the ultimate accessory for your iPad Pro, seamlessly blending artistry with innovation to redefine portable power. So that concludes our list of the 10 amazing iPad Pro accessories. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.